This is going to be a quick video about how to remove Closetmaid shelves. You may move into a house that's already got this Closetmaid shelves installed. They are the wire shelves, just like this. I'll give you another shot. I'm going to show you exactly how you're going to remove these without damaging your whole wall. What you're going to want is a pair of pliers and a knife, maybe a pair of leather gloves, just to make sure you don't hurt yourself. Now, if you installed the shelves, obviously you're not going to have this issue, but most of your shelves are installed with these pieces of equipment. And if you buy a newer home, or these are already installed for you and you decide you want to take them down, you got to know how they go in. You may think that this is just a nail. When you look at it, it looks just like a nail, and it is. The problem is each one of these clips has that end on it. So as you can see, this slides in here, pushes this out. See that? Okay, so once you pull this out, this will pull right out of the wall. So you do not want to try to pull this out of the wall without getting this nail out first. So I'm going to go over doing that real quick. And they actually slide out a little easier than you might think. You can take the shelf off first, which is what I recommend, but for viewing this, you see that? You just need a sharp knife and a pair of pliers. Like I said, you'd probably take the shelf out first, obviously. That way you don't have to deal with the shelf being in the way. And then that's going to pull right out. I'm going to go ahead and take out this shelf. That way you can see the whole thing start to finish. I'm going to go ahead and just pop out the back of the shelf first. And depending on who cut it, you may have to slide it to one side and then slide it out. You gotta just pop the back of the shelf out first. And now that we got that nail out, this pulls out. It does leave a sizable hole in your wall, so you'll need to repair that or cover it up. But that's a lot better than trying to rip this thing out. Trying to rip this thing out without the screw still in there, it will tear apart your sheetrock. I don't know how I know that. Just gonna do one more video doing this, like I said, with the shelf out. Just get in there and it comes right out. Up here. Left-handed. Yeah. There we go. Comes right out. One more, and then we'll be all done. Some of them can be a little bit harder, just depending on how they were put in there and what angle you're going in at, but they come out. These are pretty expensive shelves. Everything's expensive on this, so you may be able to resell these. I'm just using an old coffee can. May be able to use them in a different spot. The problem is they're just not deep enough for most closets. You're using so much. And then these smaller houses and stuff like that, it's just, you need all the shelf space you can get. Okay, so I want to be careful. I'm just going to wiggle this out. There you go. Easy peasy. Like, comment, subscribe. There you go. That's how you remove the Closetmaid hangers. Hope that helps. Again, this is only be a necessary video if you're not the one to put it up, because if you put it up, you know how it works.